Here we are. We're going to start repairing the eaves. You can see we're off the ground quite a ways. And we're on our nifty lift. Awesome piece of machinery. So you can see the damage that was done. Built-in eaves, or eaves trough originally. You can see them right here. What happened was they degraded, then the water started coming through and took out all of the design, all of the wood. Just rotted the whole thing out. Then it fell down, and then what I did was came through and closed in the eaves with this aluminum, painted aluminum flashing. So now the water has to run the full distance. And over the years we've been repairing, but this is one of the last couple places we need to repair. So fortunately I have some of the design pieces, the architectural pieces left, and I'll have to make whatever I don't have or whatever I need, and you can see it goes back in. So first we're going to clean off, get the bad stuff out, clean out all the junk, and then we'll see what we need to do from there.